Beauts, this is your girl Keisha coming to you with a review on and an unboxing of the Apple Watch. So excited. I finally got this a couple weeks ago. I've been waiting to really use it after I did this review. So yeah, I got the 38mm Series 3, just GPS. I didn't get the cellular one because after looking up reviews and stuff to see which version would be the better version for me, I figured I would just do the GPS, because for me with my cellular plan, it's not under a plan. I'm just doing month to month, so it wouldn't work for me to have cellular and GPS, so I just chose GPS. So here it is. Woo! Hold on, it's so blurry. Okay, there we go. YouTube videos to see what color to get, and I was like going back and forth between the rose gold and the space gray with the gray band. And I was just like, I feel like I would get more wear out of everything in my closet with the gray band with the space gray frame versus the rose gold with the pink frame. I mean the pink band. And I know you can change the pink band, but still is that rose gold frame is still there. So therefore, that is why I ended up with, basically you're staying connected with your phone with the watch while being away from your phone. Like I said, you can stream songs. For me, you can also, for the GPS version, you can save the songs and you can still listen to the music as well. You also can ask Siri for directions. The whole GPS perk of the watch comes into play, and the whole using the GPS for directions, you can use it for that as well. It has, you can also use it for some of your favorite apps, you know, the workout apps. The whole workout part of the watch I've heard is really good. Okay, let me read you some of the specs of the watch. Okay, so for me, at the Series 3 GPS, gray band, space gray frame. It comes with the aluminum case and with the sports band. It has a S3 fast dual core processor. It is the Apple wireless chip, the W2 Apple wireless chip. Like I said, it has GPS. It's water resistant, 50 meters. The heart rate sensor, an accelerometer, contains that, a gyroscope, Siri. Like I said, you can talk to Siri. For mine with the GPS, the capacity is 8 GB. If you want the GPS plus the cellular, it's a capacity of 16 GB. Mine has a composite back, but the GPS plus cellular has the ceramic back. It's Wi-Fi enabled, Bluetooth. I'm trying to read this. You know, it has in the built-in rechargeable battery. It's up to 18 hours. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Besides the fact that I have the 38mm, which I heard is a smaller battery, versus the 42mm. So for me, I didn't want that the bigger face. I prefer the smaller face, and that is why I got the 38mm. Yeah, overall, I really love the watch. If you're interested and you love Apple products like I do, because I have a MacBook, I have an iPhone, I have now I have an Apple Watch. So I'm just an Apple junkie kind of, but yeah, if you love Apple products like I do, you will definitely love this watch, and it is definitely a great buy. I also wanted to really quick go show you guys these bands that I bought off of eBay that look so familiar, like the bands that they sell in the actual Apple store, the accessory bands that come with the watch. Now I'm gonna open one up so you can see it. Okay, and then this is the small. Where I got this from, I will leave a link down below. This is like purple. It's supposed to be lavender. This looks so pink, y'all. Pink, okay? But I guess we'll be getting a pink one. But yeah, they look so similar to the sports band that Apple sell that is $50. Guess how much I paid for this? Let me double check. How much I paid for this on eBay was, hold on, $5.69 with free shipping. How long did it take to get to me? Probably about 2 weeks. So it's worth the wait because it's better than paying $50. Really quick though, I'm gonna show you the watch on my wrist. Right wrist, I'm right-handed, so I like to wear my watch on the hand that I write with. So, what the heck? Clearly I'm very terrible at putting on watches because this is taking forever. So there we go. That's my watch. Ooh, yay. I love the gray. Okay, well, that's all I have for you guys. If you have any questions, I will definitely leave the eBay link for the, first of all, I will leave a link for the website on Apple. It's where I bought the watch, for the watch, and then I'll leave a link for the bands that I bought for the watch as well. And I'm also gonna buy more color bands, and I'm also gonna buy this little like silicone frame for the actual body of the watch. Yeah, you know, I'm gonna leave a link for that too down here, even though I didn't show it, but I'm going to buy it. So yeah, so I'm gonna buy it in rose gold, so it'll be like a different color frame, and then also kind of keep the face of the watch kind of safe, so I can wear it on and off. That way I can get that rose gold feel that I like and still be versatile with the space gray frame. So that's all I have for you guys today. Yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button. More videos. I will be posting more videos and tutorials and my god, my language today is just way off the charts. Tutorials and just anything else, tutorials, hauls, all those type of videos, vlogs, just of me, you know, doing what I'm doing, you know, and going over products and stuff. Like I said, if you have any questions, please leave them below. Thank you for watching my video. You have a wonderful day.